fight, got pride, got reasons. Anything worth doing is a tough call.
In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances effectively has become more crucial than ever. You want to live an eventful life, but you still need to save money. Saving money is a skill that can provide you with financial security and the freedom to pursue your dreams. However, the skill of saving can be difficult for some to master. Here, we will uncover some tips and tricks that will empower you to take control of your expenses, maximize your savings, and achieve your financial goals. Let's dive in. One of the fundamental pillars of saving money is creating a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month to gain a clear understanding of your spending habits. Categorize your expenses into essential and discretionary items. Next, identify areas where you can make adjustments and set realistic savings goals. Creating a budget helps you prioritize your spending and make conscious choices. Use free budgeting tools or mobile apps to streamline the process and stay on track. Or we recommend using a credit card to manage your spending. Regularly review and adjust your budget as your financial situation evolves. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses is a powerful way to save money. Analyze your spending patterns and identify areas where you can make reductions. Consider canceling unused subscriptions, negotiating lower bills, or switching to more affordable alternatives. Plan your meals and make a grocery list to avoid impulse purchases. Seek out free or low-cost entertainment options and explore thrift stores for affordable clothing and household items. Small savings in various areas can add up significantly over time. Make saving money a breeze by automating the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account on a regular basis. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money impulsively. Additionally, explore retirement savings plans or workplace programs that allow you to divert a portion of your paycheck directly into a retirement account. By automating your savings, you build a consistent habit and ensure a portion of your income goes towards your future financial security. Another effective way to save money is by reducing your energy consumption. Be mindful of your electricity usage by turning off lights and unplugging devices when not in use. Install energy-efficient light bulbs and consider using a programmable thermostat to optimize heating and cooling. These simple changes can lower your utility bill and contribute to a greener environment. When it comes to grocery shopping, there are several strategies you can employ to save money. Start by making a shopping list and sticking to it. Avoid shopping when you're hungry to resist impulse purchases. Compare prices and consider buying generic or store-brand products instead of name brands. Look for coupons and take advantage of discounts and loyalty programs. By simply paying attention to your grocery spending, you can make significant savings over time. Consider adopting a minimalist mindset to declutter your life and save money. Simplify your living space by letting go of items you no longer need or use. You can sell these items online or organize a yard sale to earn some extra cash. Embracing minimalism can help you resist unnecessary purchases and focus on the things that truly matter. Finally, educate yourself on personal finance and seek professional advice when needed. Attend workshops, read books, and follow reputable financial websites to expand your knowledge. Financial literacy is an essential tool that empowers you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial well-being. Saving money is a journey that requires discipline and conscious effort. By creating a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, automating savings, reducing energy consumption, being smart with grocery shopping, embracing minimalism, and expanding your financial knowledge, you can master the art of saving and achieve your financial goals. Start implementing these tips today and watch your savings grow while gaining peace of mind and financial freedom.